Okay, there's something in the back. I heard it. Fucking hell. Hello, unfriendly people. I'm back. Okay, I'm dead. They're eating it. Maybe they will leave me alone. I don't know. No, they will not. Okay, I'm dead. So we need to go straight, I think. Oh, never mind. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Finally. I guess. He's camping on me. Which is crazy. I don't want to die again. Like, this is the third time I'm dying here. If I die to this. I'm trying to go away from him. And I'm trying to catch that thing, which I'm failing miserably. Like, I hate you. Now, that thing is not even here. He doesn't even care. Look at this. Oh, never mind. Well, there's only 3. There's 1 jump. Bro, no. I'm selling hard. Ooh, not the second time. One more. Yeah, GG. Not possible. Looks like so. No, I did not. No, I did. No way. Yeah, enough. Nah. I'd rather stay. Nah, bro. Like.